put my hair through it. Oh.
Woo! Sorry for the jump scare, you guys, but today we are going to be doing our hair. My hair was so tangled so badly because of my recent health condition. I talked a little bit about it in my last video, but one of my friends came over. She detangled my hair for me, and I've just been rocking it in these braids. And so, as you can see, I'm taking it out and I'm getting ready to wash my hair for the first time in like 2 weeks. This is not sponsored, but I'm absolutely loving the unbrush. It combs through my hair like a freaking champ.
I'm gonna attempt to wash my hair now that it's been all detangled, unbraided and everything. So today for wash day, I'm gonna be using the Detox shampoo from the Ouai. I absolutely love this shampoo. I think it works really good, and I really like it for my hair. And then I use the thick conditioner. I don't necessarily have thick hair. I have really fine hair, but I have a lot of it. I use these two in combination with each other, and I absolutely love them. My hair loves them. It just makes it feel super clean and hydrated.
Now that I'm done with washing my hair, I'm going to go in with this bonding oil from Shea Moisture and put a couple of drops and just run that through my hair. Next, I'm going to go in with this Pureology leave-in treatment, and I'm also running that through my hair. And then I'm going to grab my unbrush again and detangle my hair. Now I'm going to take my Shark Flex style and blow dry.
I just got done blow drying my hair, and one of the things about my hair is I can never like blow dry it really straight, and honestly I just don't really have the patience to. I just purchased this Wavytalk straightening brush because I feel like after I blow dry my hair, all I have to do is just go through with this a couple of times, and I feel like it's really gonna get it a lot more straighter. So let's unbox it. And I am just supposed to put my hair through it. Oh, hold on a second. It has multiple different temperatures, and the reason why I got this one in particular versus other ones is because on the back, you guys see right here, there is like this water chamber for steam. Steam is supposed to be really good for your hair. There's like steam. Oh, can you guys see that? Maybe if I hold it over, like, watch out, you guys see steam is actually starting to come out of it. The button stopped beeping, so I think it's good to go. Okay. Oh, do you guys see that? So this side literally just looked like this side. It just got my hair like pretty straight. That is like, what? So this is the before. I honestly wonder, because my hair is so thin, if I could just run it through. I definitely am not looking for like bone straight hair. Like, look, this is what this side looks like, and this is what the side that I just straightened look like. I'm gonna try to get a little closer to my roots, and wow, that did it like perfectly. And what's really crazy about this is there's steam. You guys see the steam coming out, but my hair is not like wet. It's not wet at all. I'm gonna take this and try to bump it. Literally, I think I've been recording myself doing this for 5 minutes and you guys see the results. Like, who needs a straightener anymore? Okay, so let's talk about my final thoughts about this steam straightener. I mean, for one, you guys saw my hair like right after I blow dried it. It wasn't perfectly straight or anything. And honestly, I was not expecting this tool to get like my hair like bone straight or anything. I just wanted it a little bit straighter so that it, you know, wasn't so poofy at the ends. And you guys see, it literally looks like I flat ironed my hair and it only took me 5 minutes. I absolutely hate blow drying my hair and then afterwards going in with a flat iron because it takes like an additional 20 minutes. Whereas this took my hair practically to bone straight. As you guys can see, my hair is super shiny. It's crazy to me that this is blowing steam on my hair at the same time while it's straightening it and it's not wet. Like, my hair is not wet at all. Personally, I can see this being one of my new favorite tools, and I really want to test it with like letting my hair air dry and this being the only heat that I use on my hair. And I honestly think if you are somebody who really just likes to get like a really quick flat look but like doesn't want to go through the painstaking process of the flat iron, I definitely think that this is the tool for you. One thing that's really cool about it is if you don't like the steam, you don't have to do the steam. The steam is its optional button, so you don't even have to use the steam if you don't want to. But honestly, I'm gonna keep using this steam until I see that it's not a good idea. So overall, I highly, highly, highly would recommend this tool and I can't wait to keep on using it. But I absolutely love this product. It is the Wavytalk Pro.